It is almost double my height.
Hi, I'm Chris Lee. Thank you for watching Chris Lee Properties. Today we'll be touring this property called the Sentral Residence, which is in KL Sentral. And now I'm standing right beside this pool, which is located on the 55th floor of this building. And this water is actually salted water, so it's actually good for your skin. You can spend as long as you want swimming. And they also have their own fully equipped gym, which is really big. You're gonna check it out. And they have for him and for her sauna, which is located at the left and right of this building. And they have a very big BBQ area where you can enjoy this magnificent view. And right now we're at the sunbathing deck, so it's more private. People don't really see what you're doing down here, and yet you still have the coolness of the pool right beside you, and then a magnificent view on the right. So good place to stay, good place to exercise, and very good view to keep motivating you to exercise. Check it out.
Hi, so this is the unit that I mentioned about. The Penthouse unit, a 3,283 square feet, a 4+1 bedrooms unit. So once you come in, you are invited with this, a living hall and your dining hall. It is so inviting and so spacious. And look here, see how high is the ceiling. It is almost double my height. This living hall is so big that you can actually fit like easily 8 packs here, and can just enjoy the tea or the TV. And come to this side, you have a big rectangular table, dining tables, and a very nice chandeliers, 8-seaters tables, perfect. And what is even nicer is actually the view. Come, let me show you. So you have a very long balcony and big balcony here, and you basically have the best of both worlds. You have the city view and you have the lake view, the green view. You have water here, and you can even see the mountains. The view will be even more spectacular, especially when it comes to the city view. And actually during the festival season, you don't have to go anywhere. You just sit here. You can enjoy fireworks from everywhere. Okay, here we are. This is the kitchen place. This is an open concept kitchen. The living hall is just right there. And you have your kitchen top here, kitchen island. And then this is actually the dry kitchen part. Your induction cooker, oven, exhaust, your fridge. So this is a dry kitchen part, which is already self-sufficient. And if you do more heavy cooking, you can just come to this wet kitchen. And this is where the helpers rooms are and all your yard area. And what is nice about this wet kitchen is you can actually close this door if you really did very heavy cooking, so the smell doesn't go to your living hall. Great place. So let's move on to the next part. Alright, this is the second bedrooms unit of this penthouse. So it also have a king size bed, and also can have a size to fit in your study tables and a lazy couch. Good space. Actually, it can be a junior master room as well. It comes with an ensuite bathroom and the wardrobe on both sides of the wall. Alright, here is a master bedrooms. So you come inside here, of course your bed is here, and then you have another wardrobe here and another lazy couch. Over this side, again, you have the same view as the living hall, the green view and the city view on that side. Okay, very nice. And we move to the master bathroom. That you will pass by your walk-in wardrobe for him or for her. And this is your resort style bathroom. Again, it features the view of the green and the city view. It's so bright. And if you need more personal time, you don't want to be at the outside balcony, you have another balcony here, and also overlooking the green view. Okay, we are not done with the master bedroom yet. It is actually attached with another bedrooms. And for this house, for this penthouse at the moment, they actually converted as a TV rooms. So attached with the master bedrooms and come over here and you have your personal entertainment room. Here you are. Well, just put in your PS4. Very good place to enjoy. Right, now you have seen it all. Sentral Residence has a very nice facility as you can see earlier. And this unit, this penthouse is so interesting and so appealing. Why? Well, besides having a very nice layout and very beautiful view, it also comes with a great ID, great interior design. So it's very important to have a good design so that it is appealing to the tenant or to your next buyer. Well, if you like what you see, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.